It seems like a simple logic puzzle. Closer to the sun equals more heat. But the reality is, Earth's atmosphere doesn't play by that rule. Let's break it down. The sun radiates energy in the form of electromagnetic waves, mostly visible light, infrared, and a bit of ultraviolet. This energy passes through our atmosphere and heats the Earth's surface, not the air directly. Once the ground is warmed, it starts transferring that heat upward, warming the air close to it through conduction and convection. Think of Earth's surface like the burner on a stove. You don't feel the heat from above, the warmth comes from the bottom. Now, here's where altitude matters. As you move higher into the atmosphere, up a mountain, in a plane, or even in a hot air balloon, the air becomes less dense. There are fewer air molecules per cubic meter, and those molecules are more spread out. This makes it harder for the air to retain heat. Plus, the air pressure drops the higher you go. And when pressure decreases, air expands, and when air expands, it cools. This is a basic principle in thermodynamics called adiabatic cooling. That's why mountaintops are covered in snow, even in countries near the equator. Take Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa for example. It's almost on the equator, yet its summit is icy and cold. And airplanes? Commercial jets cruise at around 35,000 feet, where the outside air temperature can reach as low as -60 degrees Celsius. Luckily, the cabin is pressurized and climate-controlled, or else we'd freeze in minutes. Even astronauts in space deal with this. In sunlight, space can feel scorching, but in shadow or without a suit, it's deadly cold because there's no atmosphere to hold or spread the heat. So, to sum up, it gets colder as we go higher because we're leaving behind the dense, heat-trapping layer of air near the surface. We're not moving far enough to make a difference in distance from the sun, but we are moving far from the real source of warmth, our atmosphere and surface-heated air. So yes, the sun is up there, but the heat? That's down here. If that blew your mind, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more science that makes you go, wait, what?